Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another walking workout, just 15 minutes. Look around you, check there's nothing you're going to trip over, stand on, hurt your feet or bash into. So lifting the heels and keeping the balls of the toes down for now, adding a little bicep curl, very, very gentle. More about getting the blood flowing through the body than getting any work in the arms. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, or whatever works for you. Again, your body, your workout. And take the heels forward, and lifting the toes up. So feeling that in the back of the heels. So you might be just lifting the toe a little bit here, or making it a bit bigger. You want to make it hard to swing the arm. Just watch. I have to be careful here. I'm going to turn sideways or I'm going to bash the wall. I work out in a tiny little 4th bedroom down in my basement, which really isn't big enough as a bedroom. So it's quite a cramped setup here. Hence my workouts all being designed to be in the space of a mat. Keep those feet moving. Taking the feet out to the side, so tapping out. Well done. A little bend if you want, so you can bend in between, or you can just keep it small. Well done. If you lift the elbows up, you're going to feel it in the back of the arms, or just let the shoulders relax. I'm going to work the back of my arms today. Try and keep the hands relaxed. We're going to go back to that jogger's walk, so just lifting the heels. So have a quick peep down, see what's happening. Are your knees coming straight forward, or are they coming across your body? I'm really exaggerating them. Or coming outwards maybe. Have a look, check. Maybe afterwards go up and look in the mirror, just see, are your knees tracking forward in the best position for your body? Those heel digs, so heels out in front. Well done. Keep that going through the gap. I'm just wiggling my hips side to side, lifting the heels up. So a little bit of a jogger's walk. I'm adding a little bit of twist. So watch your ankles here. If it's uncomfortable on your ankles, alter the movement. Just lift the knees straight forward. Or if it's uncomfortable on your knees too, of course. Ready for side step. Now, as you're doing your side steps, I want you to shuffle yourself slightly towards your left because we're going to go to doubles. Double. A fairly fast track, so you might need to make the steps a little bit smaller. I'm trying to take the whole width of my mat. I say length of my mat, but I've got quite a big square mat here. You just can't see half of it off the front of the camera. So those that can, we're going to take it to a grapevine. So step, cross behind, step together. If that doesn't work for you, stay with the ordinary double step. I'm going to turn in a moment and show you how that works. You step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step. If you'd rather do it half time, that's fine too. Or stay with your double side steps. Let's, for those that want it, add some arms and a knee lift on the end. Really is up to you. If that doesn't feel right, just stay with where you were. And keep breathing. Are you ready? Hold it here. Knee lifts. I'm going slightly out to the side. Work slightly different muscles. If that doesn't work for you, you can just keep it a little toe tap, opening out through the hip, turning out. Find this one quite intense. If you want to make it really harder, add arm movements, pulling down. I'm going to leave that out because for me, it's enough to concentrate lifting my leg off the ground. Well done. Let's take it down to the tap. Back to the jogger's walk, lifting the heels, maybe with a little bit of wiggle in the hips, just to give them a bit of a loosening after that intense knee lift work. Double side step. Well done. You're doing great. But don't worry if you're struggling with some of the moves. As long as you don't feel uncomfortable, make up what feels right for you. It's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Make it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. So whatever's right for you is right for you. I'm not going to dictate what level you do it at. I just want you to do the best you can for yourself. Okay, next time we're going to pause at the end, tap out, side, 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 side. So I'm just touching the toe out to the side. Toes on the floor, although I suppose if you wanted to, you could lift it. Give yourself a bit more of a challenge. Keep moving throughout the gap. Right, let's take it to a mark, right, left. Try and keep those feet nice and light and quite a fast beat, so those moves are going to be quite small, knees can stay quite low even. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me, it's easier for you. 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. So that can just be a very little step, or you can take it down and lift, take it down and lift. I'm going to change that slightly. We're going to take it wide at the front. So wide, wide, together, together. Again. That might just be a little bit wider, it might be really big. And add some arms. I think out, out, in works quite nicely. Or pump. It's your body, your workout. You choose what feels right for you or leave the arms out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We're going to change leg, tap, left, right. We're going to do that a little bit faster without the big pause in future. Left, right, back, back, wide, wide, together, together. Let's tap change. Right, left. Don't worry if you haven't got that, really doesn't matter. 8 more. Well done. Tap change. So we tap, change leg. If you're on the opposite leg and you haven't managed to do the tap change, really not the end of the world, and tap change. Tap change. So we're going to do 4, 3, that's 2, tap change, tap change. Tap change for 2s, 1, 2, tap change. Let's go for singles. Tap change. So here, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it more to a horseshoe, twist it round. But don't worry, if that doesn't work for you, just keep it here. Your choice. If you just swing your arm out and just try and do the same movement, but let your feet go with you, it'll become more of a horseshoe. 4, 3, last 2, well done. March it through. 3, 2, 1, toe tap. 3, 1, toe tap. So that can become a knee lift. You can add an arms. Pull down. That's your hardest version. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Easiest version. 1, 2, 3, toe down. Just little gentle arms, shoulders relaxed. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. I quite like to just swing my arms, pull them back up, feel that it working the back of the arm. So as you tap, pull the elbow back, feel the back of the arm working. A little bit of work for those bat wings. Not a lot of work for them, but every little bit helps. Let's march. March it through to the next track. Well done. Take the foot out side to side. Let the arms swing gently. We'll start to cool the body down now. You still have the option to make the movements even smaller if that's what you need to do. The shoulders are nicely relaxed. Again, if that's all you're going to do, that's fine too. A little bit for the balance. Well done. Keep that head up, lengthen the back of the neck. Comb now. Other side. So just do it as and when it feels right with the movement of your body. So I'm not in time with the music particularly. I'm doing it when it feels right. Confuse your brain. Let's just keep those feet going. Well done. Heel digs in front. So I've turned so you can see what I'm doing. Lifting up those toes. So I've got the other knee slightly bent to make it easy. A little bend, but it is small. I'm doing a gentle bicep curl. It's what feels right for me. Do what feels right with your arms. If you want to swing them side to side, that's fine too. I'm going to take it to 2 side steps. Step together, step together. Only small now though. Circle shoulder, other side. Circling back. Keep it nice and small there. Just getting a little bit of extra mobility in the shoulder, loosening it up. Can't get the shoulder, just stay keeping the feet moving, as this is meant to be a walking workout. Last time right, last time left. Single side steps, step and touch, step and touch. Stepping out, bring the feet together. Well done. Circling the arm back. 4, 3, 2 and change. 4, 2 and change. That can be low as well if you want. Yes. One more each side. I'm going to change that. We're going to lift the heels and walk through. Trying to keep the hips level. And the tummy in. Bring the arms forward and back. Forward and back. So try not to lift the chest as you go back. Shoulders are relaxed, arms heavy. Just watch. You're not going to bash anything. Very close to the wall here. Ready for that side step, double. Other side. Well done. Singles. Double. On the spot, lifting the heels. Well done. We're going to finish today's workout with a stretch. So taking the feet about hip width apart, I'm going to ask you to take your right foot back. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Watch, both feet are pointing forward. Knee is above the ankle, so we're not shooting it all the way forward. Nice big lunge position. Holding that there, turning the hips to face the front. Have a quick look back at that back heel. Watch it hasn't slipped in. You should be feeling it in the calf. Holding that there. Hands on the thighs, well done. Just going to ask you to lift and lower your heel a couple of times. It's just coming up onto the ball of the foot, taking it down, getting that foot back. Just check it's not slipped in again. You're feeling the stretch in the calf muscle. So adjust the foot until you feel that stretch where it's best for you. Well done. Let's change legs. Bring the legs in, about hip width apart for balance. A bit wider if you struggle with your balance. And again, watch the knee position. Knees roughly above the ankle, foot back far enough so your foot's on the floor. So you might be here to get the stretch, or you might have your foot a long way back. But keep that knee so you can see your toe. Check those feet are pointing forward. Hold a chair or wall if you need to. Nice straight line from the top of the head through to the heel. And try and turn those hips to face forward rather than letting that hip drop back. Well done. Well done for getting to the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed it today. Join me again for another workout next time. See you again. Bye for now.